Good day, good morning, people, and everybody around the globe. Today I'm going to try to make a banana mousse. I'm going to try to make a banana mousse. But first things first, I don't have any condensed milk. So I'm going to try to make condensed milk out of milk powder, powdered milk, dry milk, if you will. I've got 1 cup of dry milk flakes, to which I'm going to add, I got to get where I can see, 1/2 of a cup. I can't see where's 1/2. 1.5 cups. I need to add 1/2 cup of powdered sugar. We'll dump some of this in here. Oh, let's see what we've got here. Even this out. I'm going to call that pretty good. Okay. Simple enough, right? And I got 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda right there. And I've got 1/2 cup of water. That goes in here. And we're going to take a small spatula, mix and stir, baby, till we get a smooth mixture. Just like so. I've got the stove. I got a medium pot saucepan on the stove. Coming up to medium high heat, which is 3/4 of the way turned up. I've got my stove turned up. It's electric. I've got it turned up to 8. Because we're going to bring this to a boil here pretty quick. You dig what I'm talking about. So here we go. I will see you at the stove. Alrighty, folks, we have got our mixture here for our condensed milk, sweetened condensed milk. Pour that right up in here. Doo-ba-doo-doo-doo-doo. Just as something fun to do in the kitchen, I thought you might like to see. Now, that's going to sit over there, and I'm going to start stirring this. I'm going to bring this up to a boil, and it's going to come up to a nice, a little bit thicker, golden brown. Okay? Alright, folks, we're getting about to where, that's about the thickness of what we get at the store right there. Condensed milk. I'm going to shut the heat off. Alright, stir it for just a bit more, and as this cools off, it'll thicken just a little bit more, but that's about what we get in the cans at the store right there. So I'm going to put this back where it came from. In fact, no, I'll put it in this one. I'm going to try to find a towel. Okay, and I'm going to put that right here in this here, what do you call a measuring cup? It's going to sit aside and cool. There is our condensed milk, sweetened condensed milk part of our banana mousse. Homemade. Just happened to have everything I needed on hand in the cabinets to make it. So, there you go. Mousse, ingredient that I didn't have, sweetened condensed milk. I'll see you in just a few. Well, folks, I got started and was ready to make this for you and for me. I found out, was digging in the fridge, I don't have any heavy whipping cream. So, on top of making condensed sweetened milk for you, I'm gonna make some heavy whipping cream too, I guess. And guess what? I don't use whole milk. You can get around it, okay? What I have here is 7/8 cup, which is, let me think, 3/4 cup plus 2 tablespoons of 1/2 and 1/2, okay? And what I got here is 2 ounces of pure melted butter right here. That's going to go right on top, right in here with the 1/2 and 1/2, right? just like so. And you'll see that they've separated out. The butter is kind of going to the top right here. See? So what you're going to do is get your immersion blender here. Blend it up for 4 minutes. Yeah. Until it gets all pulled together. Alrighty, folks, you can see by the foam, that should be heavy cream. All it's got to do is cool off. I'm going to chuck it in the fridge for a little bit, and we'll get started on this banana mousse, and hope it works out. Be right back. Okay, folks, well, I'm back. Let's get you set up there like that. Okay, what I've got is a nice little skillet. I've got my stove top on kind of low. I got it on 3, okay? I'm guessing that's low heat. What I have got, is $10 grams. There we go. I got 10 grams of butter here. Now, I'm going to melt that. Let her do her melting thing real quick. And this is why this is the part here that's coming right up. The crucial part. Why this isn't on high heat. Well, what we're going to do is put these banana up in here, right? Got some banana right here. They're going to flip into our little skillet, right? It's like so. These are going to go around. These are going to cook down in our little skillet, getting stirred from time to time, and kind of smushy as they get towards the end. We're going to smush them up. That looks pretty good to me. These are going to cook for, for 10 minutes on low heat. I've got this on 3.5 for now, and I turn it down as I need if I need to. I'll see you in 10 minutes when these are all kind of cooked and smushy. Okay, folks. Now, the bananas have gone 10 minutes. We got a bowl. We are going to put bananas and butter in said bowl right there. Okay? Very good. Very well done, sir. Thank you. Thank you very much. Now we got that right there. Our old friend, the immersion. Oh boy. Oh boy. Our old friend, the immersion blender comes out to play one more time again. I want to hit these bananas up right here till they're smushy and smooth. I'll turn them into a smooth smush. Very nice. Okay. Whoa now. Whoa now. You stay there, Nelly. You stay right effing there. Okay, I have 83 milliliters of milk right here. You're going in there, okay? And we're going to whisk this all up with the immersion blender thingy. Get it all looking decent. Okay, now I have, 13 grams of cornstarch is going to go in here. And this is where I'm going to switch it up. I'm switching out this immersion blender to my KitchenAid. I'll be right back. Okay, folks, I'm switching out to my KitchenAid because my beaters don't have a whisk attachment. They just got like the cake beaters. So we're going to use the whisk on the KitchenAid. It's just the way it's going to be. You're going to love it, right? Here we go. You go in there. You sit right there. We're going to whisk this together. Like so. And that's going to whisk together like that. Right? Want to call that good? A good whisking? Whisking Mr. Whiskers? Now, this is going to go in a saucepan right here, back to the stove. Let me get this out of the way real quick before it gets all over the house. Yoink. I'll see you back at the stove. Okay, now we're going to go over medium heat. I've got the stove turned up to 5. I'm going to stir this till it thickens up into like a real thick pudding. Then it's going to go in a bowl to cool down. Hey. I'm going to call that right there. And we're going to put this in a bowl to cool off. I'll see you over there. That's weird. Alrighty, folks. It looks like the camera's recharged. We're back in action. Into a bowl. I'm going to add 83 milliliters of my homemade heavy cream. I hope this works. Right? I'm going to put that in there, and we're going to whisk it so we kind of get some peaks action going on, hopefully. I hope. Just like so. Okay, well that ain't doing much. I'm going to add the 50 grams of condensed milk up in here. See if this will help out the situation at all. If any, I might just be making a huge mess. But that's half the fun of playing around in the kitchen. It's either going to work or it's not. Let's get that in here. Oh, God. Close this. I'll put the towel up, and away we go. Well, folks, as you can see, there is no substitute for having real heavy cream on hand. That's as foamy as I can get. So, what you're supposed to do, oh boy, is mix. I just did that, and it's in the sink now. You're supposed to take this other goo that that you smoothed out and cooled. You're supposed to run it through again, which I did with the blender, and got it all kind of smooth again.
So you're supposed to smooth. Oh God! You're supposed to mix this back in the fluffy, heavy cream.
Goes to show there is no substitute for having real heavy cream on hand. Screw that trying to make it yourself. It ain't going to work. This is just going to make soup. Guaranteed. That ain't piping shit. I am going to take this. Rinse it off real good. I'm going to put it back in the blender. This isn't going to do shit. It's going to be nasty. And I'm not even going to make the rest of the video. It's just going to be nasty. How to make goo. How to make goo in your kitchen. That's what I'm going to call it. Kitchen failure. But it's entertaining, right? Okay, folks. I've had enough of that. Well, there you have it, folks. Banana mousse my ass. Banana mess is more like it. Well, what you do, sprinkle a few chocolate chips on there, just like that. And take a nice picture. Ka-cheek, 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 like that. And then you throw this in the garbage as fast as you can, because that did not work at all. So, hope you enjoyed the kitchen fail today. That's pretty fun, though. That was a good afternoon. Experimenting. And yes, I've never made this before. So, I don't think I'll ever try it again unless I have real heavy cream. Real heavy cream, it probably would have worked perfect. There you go. Throw it away. Until next time, folks, hit that like and God, I'm big.
Hit that like and subscribe, and quit leaving my channel and unsubscribing. It's like embarrassing me and stuff. Until next time, folks, for BLG and Ronnie, I am Lefty. And until next time, folks, peace out, people. Just peace out. I'm gonna go throw up now.
Hands on with BLG. You never know what you will see. Oh, yes sirree. Hands on with BLG. Stick around and learn from me.